We want to get a check now of our next weather forecast with meteorologist Deanno. And Paul, we do still have a threat out there.
We have a very high fire danger today and tomorrow. It is not a guarantee that we're going to have new fires. It is a guarantee that any fire that starts has the opportunity to spread rapidly. We've seen it several times this fall and winter, that things that are small become 1,000, 10,000 acre fires in short order because of the weather conditions. It's super dry. It'll be super windy with very low relative humidity. We've seen this so many times that we think it's almost normal now. The highest threat level, 3 of 3 on the fire weather outlook. This is all of eastern Ventura County. It's the Santa Clarita Valley. It's the San Fernando Valley stretching into the San Gabriels. This is rare stuff. There have been years that have gone by. All of 2022 and 2023 didn't have one of these. We've had about 3 of them in the past week. So the highest threat level for rapid fire spread is north and west of Los Angeles today. It is level 2 or critical fire danger for the Inland Empire and inland sections of Orange County. The biggest problem is the lack of rainfall, which in the summer we know it's dry, but rarely does it stretch into all of the fall and the first half of winter. But that's where we are today. It has been 254 days since Los Angeles has received a decent rainfall. What's a decent rain? 1/10 of an inch of rain or more. That's a really low bar. The last time that happened was May the 5th of last year. It's been 2/3 of a year since we've seen any decent rainfall officially in Los Angeles. A little timeline for you. 9 o'clock this morning to 5 o'clock today, so still about 1 hour away from this beginning, will be the peak of today's winds. That's an 8-hour window where winds could hit 50 to 75 miles per hour, primarily Inland Empire and west of Los Angeles. Winds will decrease a little bit overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, then one final round of strong winds from 8 o'clock tomorrow morning until 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. At 2 o'clock tomorrow, the worst of the winds will be behind us, and there are no major wind events coming toward us in the future for the several days after that. So we can get through today and tomorrow, things will get better weather-wise. Red flag warning for most of Southern California, including all of eastern Ventura County, northwest LA County through tomorrow evening. A high wind warning for the windiest spots, which are the valleys north and west of LA and the corresponding mountains, where mountain wind gusts could hit 60 to 75 miles per hour. Downtown Los Angeles is chilly with mainly sunny skies. Here's Santa Clarita, which will be one of our very windy spots. Winds sustained 25 to 35 miles per hour today and tomorrow, with much less wind coming up on Thursday. If you're heading outside, windy or not, it is cold. Claremont 40, downtown Los Angeles 40, Riverside only 41. The perfect setup for offshore winds, where we are literally caught in between a strong low to our east and a strong ridge to our west. Rarely do both of these set up perfectly to give us offshore winds more than a couple times a winter. We've had 3 of these in the past week. The atmosphere is just kind of locked in place, and that's not a good thing for us. Not a cloud in the sky today. Notice the winds coming from the northeast. That is the offshore wind. The storm track is way up to the north, up in the Pacific Northwest. There is no chance of rain for the next several days. The best news is the winds are lighter on Thursday, and they're coming from the other direction. Onshore winds return on Thursday, which will drastically decrease the fire danger. We stay rain-free through the weekend. It's going to be a chilly weekend. Inland Empire highs only in the 60s. Very windy for our inland valleys, especially eastern Ventura County today and tomorrow. Winds are calmer beginning tomorrow afternoon. That's your forecast. Guys, back to you.